Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's lesson is all about shapes. Shapes are everywhere, whether it's the circle in your clock, the rectangle in your phone, or the hexagon in a honeycomb. In this video, we'll go over basic and advanced shapes with fun examples for each. Ready to master your shape vocabulary? Let's get started. Basic geometry shapes. 1. Angle. The space between two intersecting lines or surfaces. Example. The corner of a square forms a right angle. 2. Arc. A part of the circumference of a circle or curve. Example. The arc of a rainbow. 3. Circle. A round shape where all points are equidistant from the center. Example. The clock on the wall is circular. 4. Line. A straight one-dimensional figure that has no thickness and extends infinitely. Example. Draw a straight line between 2 points. 5. Diagonal. A straight line connecting two non-adjacent corners of a polygon. Example. The diagonal of a square cuts it into 2 triangles. 6. Horizontal. Parallel to the plane of the horizon. Example. The horizon line is horizontal. 7. Square. A 4-sided shape with equal length sides and 4 right angles. Example. A chessboard is made of squares. 8. Rectangle. A 4-sided shape where opposite sides are equal in length and all angles are right angles. Example. Most doors are rectangular in shape. 9. Triangle. A 3-sided shape with 3 angles. Example. A slice of pizza is often shaped like a triangle. 10. Vertical. Perpendicular to the horizon. Example. The flagpole stands vertical to the ground. 11. Curve. A smoothly flowing, continuous line. Example. The road curves around the hill. 12. Right angle. An angle of 90 degrees. Example. A corner of a rectangle forms a right angle. Advanced geometry shapes. 1. Ellipse. An elongated circle, often referred to as an oval. Example. The racetrack has an elliptical shape. 2. Oval. A rounded shape that looks like an elongated circle. Example. Eggs have an oval shape. 3. Hexagon. A polygon with 6 sides and angles. Example. A honeycomb is made up of hexagonal cells. 4. Octagon. A polygon with 8 sides and angles. Example. A stop sign is shaped like an octagon. Limata. A polygon with 5 sides and angles. Example. The Pentagon building has 5 sides. 6. Heptagon. A polygon with 7 sides. Example. A 7-sided coin can be called a heptagon. 7. Nonagon. A polygon with 9 sides and angles. Example. Some decorative tiles are nonagon shaped. 8. Decagon. A polygon with 10 sides and angles. Example. The base of certain towers can be a decagon. 9. Trapezium. A quadrilateral with 1 pair of parallel sides. Example. A trapezium-shaped table has 2 sides parallel. 3-dimensional 3D shapes. 1. Cube. A 3D shape with 6 equal square faces. Example. A dice is shaped like a cube. 2. Cylinder. A 3D shape with circular bases connected by a curved surface. Example. A can of soda is cylindrical. 3. Sphere. A perfectly round 3D shape. Example. A basketball is shaped like a sphere. 4. Pyramid. A solid object with a polygon base and triangular sides that meet at a point. Example. The Great Pyramid of Giza. 5. Cone. A 3D shape with a circular base that tapers to a point. Example. An ice cream cone. 6. Prism. A solid object with 2 identical ends and flat sides. Example. A rectangular glass prism can split light into a rainbow. 7. Hemisphere. Half of a sphere. Example. The dome of an observatory is a hemisphere. 8. Tetrahedron. A 3D shape with 4 triangular faces. Example. A pyramid with a triangular base is a tetrahedron. Related geometric concepts. 1. Symmetry. When one shape becomes exactly like another if flipped, rotated, or moved. Example. A butterfly has bilateral symmetry. 2. Asymmetric. Lacking symmetry or balance. Example. An abstract painting with an asymmetric design. 3. Axis. A line around which a shape is symmetrically arranged. Example. The Earth rotates on its axis. 4. Concentric. Shapes that share the same center but differ in size. Example. Concentric circles in a target. 5. Circumference. The distance around the edge of a circle. Example. Measure the circumference of a round table. 6. Diameter. The length of a straight line passing through the center of a circle. Example, the diameter of a pizza is 12 inches. 7. Perimeter, the total length around a shape. Example, the perimeter of a rectangle is calculated by adding all its sides. 8. Parallel, lines or shapes that are the same distance apart and never meet. Example, the sides of a railway track are parallel. 9. Zigzag, a line or path that sharply alternates between directions. Example, the mountain trail follows a zigzag pattern. Miscellaneous shapes. 1. Crescent, a curved shape like a sickle or the moon in its first quarter. Example, the crescent moon shines in the sky. 2. Star, a shape with points radiating from a central region. Example, the star on the flag has 5 points. 3. Helix, a three-dimensional spiral shape. Example, a spiral staircase has a helical shape. 4. Spiral, a curve that winds around a central point. Example, the snail shell is shaped like a spiral. 5. Spheroid, a shape similar to a sphere but slightly flattened. Example, the Earth is a spheroid, slightly flattened at the poles. 6. Oblong, a shape that is longer in one direction than the other. Example, a football field is an oblong shape. 7. Rhomboid, a parallelogram with unequal adjacent sides. Example, the shape of a diamond is a rhomboid. 8. Lozenge, a diamond-shaped figure. Example, road signs sometimes use a lozenge shape. That wraps up our vocabulary lesson on shapes. Now you know the names of basic and advanced shapes, plus a few geometric terms to impress your friends. Shapes are everywhere, and now you'll be able to spot and name them in English. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more educational content, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite shape? Until next time, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.